Good afternoon. So it has been almost exactly 3 hours since we've had a train. So we got a northbound coming in. Thanks to Mr. Ed radioing in, letting me know about it. But I even heard the horns on this one before Mr. Ed notified me. This is the M574. We're going to catch him right over here next to Strawberry Station and see. We're going to let him come on through. Of course, I'm going to get out of his way here shortly, but that's a nice view up through there, as close as I can get, or stay down out of the way of the gates, the signs, and
CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 146.7. No defects. No defects. Total axle 478. End of transmission.
wow, that's a short one, but we'll take it. So let's get over here out of his way and get this guy out of my way. So, how you doing? Well, who doesn't love a freight train, huh? Well, there was one car on there that had a bad case of square wheel syndrome. 2 open door auto racks. Nasty storm cloud coming, and it is starting to drizzle a little rain. So, okay folks, until the next train rail fans, and thanks for watching.